Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix access denied CMD administrator. First, open the CMD console to check the error. After that, in the search box, enter Regedit. Open the registry editor, click Yes to access. Now you must go to the path you see on the screen. There, right-click on the value, disable CMD, select Delete, click Yes to authorize. You can now see that you have access to the CMD console without errors. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.